In this training video, we will be installing the Higher FlexFit Series wall mount type air handler. The unit is mounted to the building structure using metal mounting plates. The indoor wall unit can be connected to the FlexFit single zone or multi-zone model outdoor units. Always select an installation location where the structure is strong enough to carry the weight of the air handler. Always be certain adequate support is available for the unit. Make certain that the desired location is within maximum allowable distances for refrigerant line clearance and electrical wiring. Make certain to maintain proper clearances around the wall mount unit. Inadequate clearances can cause system freezing and temperature control problems. Make sure there are adequate clearances for future maintenance and service. Refer to the installation instructions. Refrigerant line connections to these units are flare type. The refrigerant line should be connected after the air handler has been securely mounted. Be certain the piping distance between the outdoor unit and the air handler are within specification limits. Follow all local electrical codes and regulations when installing electrical wiring. Maintain at least a 3-foot distance between the unit wiring and sources of electrical interference. Determine and mark the position of where the indoor unit will be installed. Using a stud sensor, locate and mark the stud positions where the wall mount will be secured. Place the mounting plate on the wall in the desired location, taking into account the minimum clearances necessary for proper unit operation. Using a level, verify the mounting plate is horizontal and mark the screw locations on the wall. Using appropriate screws, screw the mounting plate to the wall. The piping for the indoor unit may be routed to the unit from one of several directions: left, left rear, right, right rear, or bottom. The indoor case has knockouts that allow you to run your refrigerant lines and piping either on the left side, the right side, or the bottom right. Measure and mark the location where the piping hole is to be drilled. Drill a piping hole using a hole saw of the appropriate diameter. Angle the drill with a downward pitch to the outdoor wall so that the outdoor hole will be 1/4 inch lower than the inside hole. Giving the hole the proper angle will allow for proper condensate drainage. Install the piping hole cover flange at the hole opening on the inside wall. Note: the cover flange may require modification to fit properly behind the wall unit housing. Bundle the refrigerant piping, condensate drain piping, and wiring with tape and pass the bundle through the piping hole. With the top of the indoor unit pitched closer to the wall, hang the indoor unit on the upper hooks of the wall mounting plate. Slide the unit slightly side to side to verify proper placement of the indoor unit on the mounting plate. Rotate the case so the lower portion of the indoor unit locks into the mounting plate, and lower the unit onto the lower hooks of the mounting plate. Verify the unit is secure and snapped in place. To make the electrical connections for the indoor unit, 2 cover plates must be removed. Raise the front cover to access the screws to remove these covers. Access the 4-conductor cable through the cover plate opening and make the wiring connections, noting the wire color used on each terminal. The color of each wire must match the same positions on the terminal block of the outdoor unit. When connecting the indoor wiring to the terminal screws, keep the wire strands straight with no twists. Failure to wire the system correctly may lead to improper operation or component failure. After the terminal block wiring is completed, replace both cover plates on the indoor unit. The inside installation portion of the wall mount indoor unit is now complete. Refer to the outdoor unit installation video for completion of the installation, including refrigerant lines and electrical connections.